Cartier Santos
300watches.com.
300 Watches brings you this men's Cartier Santos 118K gold and steel automatic watch, 100% authentic. Meanwhile, the original full-size thick brown leather strap uses an adjustable butterfly clasp. It can fit a wrist up to 7.5 inches. An 18K rose gold bezel is screwed down with stainless steel screws. As you can see, it features a case, a screw-down backplate and lugs, all made from solid stainless steel.
Find it on 300watches.com. Prestige for a small price.